Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. My hair is a hot mess because I've been doing nothing but review Ellen Villa wigs for the last 2 hours. So I've got a wig that I was sent by an Amazon vendor to review. So let's get this out and let's take a look at it. This is a headband wig, and I am really excited to take a look at this. It looks really pretty on the website, and look, it has headbands that come with it. So y'all know how I feel about headbands, so now I have two that I can use with everything. So this is the wig. Now this is a long wig, and this is a highlighted dark wig. Here's the color of this wig. And she comes with the headband, and she has the Velcro. So you can put this on and you can Velcro this down as tight as you like. Now this is pretty stretchy, so I think this would fit most anybody. Now, this also has combs on the inside, so you can clamp that down with the combs. I'm looking to see, yes, she is adjustable. There's an adjustable strap on one side and an adjustable strap on the other. So I'm gonna cinch this in, and I'm gonna put this little wig on my head, and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, so this is how this looks. Without the headband, my hair, you can see my biological hair right here, and it looks kind of scary. But you just put this on, and I've got the Velcro thing right here. I've got it Velcroed down. Now, I will say, if you have a larger head, you're not going to have any problem with this whatsoever, because the Velcro is actually long for me. So I had to kind of cinch it in a little bit with this headband. But gosh, this is a cute little wig. Now, she comes in about 4 different colors available on Amazon, and we'll check the specs out on her here in just a minute. Let me turn around. Let me let you all see this. Now, she is thick. She is a pretty thick wig. So you may have to thin her if it's, too thick for you, because this may be a little heavy in the summertime. But you can always do like a little, if you wanted to do like a little messy bun or something like that, or if you wanted to just wear her loose, you certainly could. I think the fibers on this wig feel pretty good. They actually do. So let me come in here and let y'all take a look at this. She's really pretty. I like her. I like this wig. I think she's adorable. I love this color too. It's got some lighter blondish, auburnish. It's really almost a honey color, I guess, highlight in here. Now, I am probably going to take my thinning shears to this wig and thin her out some, because this is a lot of hair. But that's okay. That's no problem. That's easy enough to do. It's an quick and easy fix. Now, if you wanted to wear this back in a ponytail, you certainly, and I've just got that, like that. I don't have it, really in here good. You certainly could without any problem whatsoever, and you got your little stylish head wrap here. Now let's try this other one on, and let's see how this looks. This is a thinner head wrap, so let's see how this looks with it. Hold on, y'all. One thing you want to make sure that you do when you put this on is you want to make sure that you have got your head wrap over that Velcro piece, because if you don't, it's going to stick out just a little bit. But I really like that little Velcro piece, because that makes it really easy to cinch this in as loose or as tight as you want it. And with the combs, it will stick. You can get it to really adhere to your hair, because it's not going anywhere with those combs in here. This is like a half wig with a head wrap. That's exactly what this is like. And I just love this. I think it's cute. Let me turn around again and let you see this. Now let's look at the description of this wig, and we'll just take a little look at it and see. This is from the Go Wit store, G-O-W-I-T. Body wave headband wig, 16-inch long, wavy, curly headband wig for black women, glueless, non-lace front with headband attached, synthetic headband for cosplay, costume, daily use. Now, this is definitely not going to be a high-end wig, but this wig is absolutely fun. I really like this, and I like the curl pattern in it too. I think it's cute, and I think you could do a lot with this wig. I think if you wanted to give yourself like a little sexy bump up here, you could. This wig has no permatease in it. There's 0 permatease at all in this wig. It is a good, solid little wig, and it's $22.99 right now on Amazon, and it is a Prime product. So you get this headband and another headband with this wig. So this wig is fulfilled by Amazon. Let's look at the description and see what it says. This is a synthetic wig. It's perfect for women who want no fuss wear, no glue, no gel. It also allows you to make a high ponytail or bun. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hide this, because this is what it looks like underneath. This is what my hair looks like when it's attached to here. Here's the real deal right here. But when you put this head wrap on here with it, it's just simply cute as it can be. It's easy to attach this. And like I said, the only thing, and I would cut that. I'm going to go in and cut that Velcro. But you can actually just put this right over the top of it, or those head wraps that I reviewed the other day. I'm sure that that would be perfect with this. And then just place that wherever you want it to go. This one works really great because you can stretch this out a little bit more than you can the other one. And I think it covers that just a little bit better. So there we go. There's this. I love this. I think this is cute. And anytime somebody sends me a headband or a head wrap, I'm like, you are okay with me. You also get a little wig cap with it if you want to wear your wig cap with it. Right here, my biological hair shows a little bit. That doesn't really bother me because it's not going to be enough that anybody's going to notice it. But I think headband wigs are just really cute. You've got to watch that so it doesn't, so that doesn't come apart. I probably don't have this on here right, but I'm doing the best I can to look at myself here in the viewfinder and fix that. So let's get that like that and just try to mess with that just a little bit and get it to where it looks right. And then, of course, you can always wear your tubular headbands with it. So here it is. I think this is a good value for the price. I think this is worth the money. I think for what it is, for what it advertises that it is, I think this is a good product. I think the hair feels good. Now, do I think this is going to last for, 10 years? I don't. I think probably at the end of the summer, this is going to be something you may have to discard. But I think for summer fun, I think this would be cute. And I'm always looking for alternatives to wear to a full head wig in the summertime. And I think this would be a lot cooler than wearing a full wig on my head. I just think that it would be. I think it's cute. I think the fibers feel good. And, she's definitely got a lot of hair. So, yeah, cute little wig. Now, I might be able to poof this a little bit if I went in there and cut some layers in it, which I actually might do. But, yeah, she's cute. Cute little number. So, if you all are looking for just a little half wig or something, a little alternative for summer, this would be it. And like I said, especially if you wear one of these wider headbands with it, you can always do like a little updo. Like what I would probably do with this is I would probably do a little bun here at the nape of my neck and do a pony like something like that. That's probably what I would do, is do some type of little something down there at the nape, because this hair is going to be heavy. Now, they said that you could wear this in a high ponytail. So I am certain you probably could without any problem if you wanted to. I think you could, do a ponytail with this wig. So let's see how that looks. So you would just have to make sure that you covered up that little Velcro piece. That probably won't be an issue with hardly anybody except me because my head is just absolutely tiny. But I think if I wanted to do a different type of head wrap, I could certainly do a ponytail with this and it would be perfectly fine. So, yeah, here she is. Listen, you guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I've enjoyed reviewing these little Amazon wigs, and this is something that I always want to do on my channel is, even though I am a distributor for Ellen Villa, I always want to review Amazon wigs because I like Amazon wigs. Amazon wigs were where I first started learning about wigs, and I think that if you want a good little fun look, I think Amazon is a good option. And especially if you are on a budget, I think Amazon is a great little option for something like that. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Maranatha, folks. Bye-bye.